Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 34th session and today let's take border a step further. So if you recall, I can add a border, whether it's a bottom border, side border, border all around. We have got some pre-configured options for us to pick from, right? You select the cells. So like in this case, I grab B2 to I2. That's where I want to place my border, or maybe I want to put a border down here, this group of cells, right? And I just want to put a bottom border to separate the top data from the rest of the data below, right? Whatever if it happens to be, select your cells. So let's say I go back to the monthly budget, B2 to I2. With that highlighted, I can go back to the home button, right? And I will come into the border section and you got all those pre-configured options for you to pick from. Now what if I want to do something different? Maybe I want a thicker border, or what a different style of border. Rather than a solid line, I want a dotted line or dashed line, or maybe I want to change the color. I don't just want a black border, but maybe I want to make it green or orange or whatever. So down at the bottom we have got some additional options. We have got things like line color and all those colors to pick from. You got styles to pull from, so remember dash and dotted and so on. So you have those options there, and then we got these options for more. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the more borders. It's going to open up an additional window here. It's the format cells on the border tab, and from here I can completely customize my borders. So this window, it's my first time in this window. I remember way back when I was first time in here, and it was a bit confusing as to how these things work, because it actually a couple of steps to go through. So watch this. Over on the right we have a preview window. So this is called the preview window. It's really this guy right there, this preview of what your border looks like. So I say, you know what, I want my border to be a little bit thicker. So right now this is my current option right there, right? If you see, this is selected for this one, but right below I got a slightly thicker one, so I grabbed that. So you will notice that when I did that, my preview did not change, didn't update. Well, once they make a selection, I then click where I want to apply this selection, right? So I'll just click here and you see the preview is visible. Now I don't want the black color, so I want a nice orange color to go along with my blue. Well, I will just go here and select the orange color. But now again it's not updated, right? So once I have selected my color, I can then click where I want to apply that color. So once I have done that, once I have made my changes in that, got the different styles, different thickness, where you want to place the border, left, right, bottom, wherever, then I click on OK. And if I click out of that cell, I have now got that nice orange border there. So take a moment, right? This is really up to you. You decide how you want it to look right now. I am just focusing on the title. Well, we'll break it down into the rest of the data here shortly, but get some formatting in there. Get a background of full color and get some type of border in there as well. So try these things out. Get in there, get your hands dirty, and start to work inside of Excel. We'll meet up in the next session. Thanks for watching this tutorial. And as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.